Hey honeys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this slick back 3D or 3-part ponytail. It got two different names, whichever one you feel like using. Super affordable, super easy, quick little low part ponytail. I mean, it's not quick on me because I move slow, but that's neither here nor there. If you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Let's get into it. So the first step, I'm gonna be taking my Olaplex bonding oil and oiling each section of my hair. Now, when I do my ponytails, I do not ponytails. Yeah, my ponytail, doing a slick back ponytail. Y'all saw the title. I do not press like the whole head. I just do like the perimeter. My hair is so soft. I just do like the perimeter, and then the rest of it gets silk, you know, flat ironed, and we do like the pressing, not the pressing, we do the comb and the flat iron together. So yeah, I'm about to oil my sections, and then y'all gonna see me do the perimeter with my hot comb. It just was a project. How many more days could I wait? Making plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Don't think when you want me to. Like controller, yeah. Like controller, yeah. Okay, like when I get arrested, tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, yeah. Like controller,
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in a
Right outside.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it, boy, you get deal. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like her fat ass and thighs. Bitch, so y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
In order to save time and battery, y'all can see I slicked it back. Okay, I slicked it back. The mirror was all in the way of the clip. So what I said was I'm gonna put the neck wrap around my neck. I mean, not around my neck, around the ponytail, using a 30-second glue. We're gonna throw this ponytail on. It is by Organique. It's the body wedge, 30 inches. I'll throw that bad boy on. In order to save time and like the battery, I'm gonna come back after I slick the ponytail down, and then when I'm doing the baby hairs, like my favorite part, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back. So give me a couple minutes.
Don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like.
Alright, so I finally finished the hair, y'all. It came out super cute. I tried to cut it as blunt as possible because I wanted the end to be blunt. I mean, if it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. The ponytail was only like, what? It was under $15. I know that much. It was under $15. And I had that wrapped around this little, you know, little thing in the back. But I'm gonna put a scrunchie over it, so it really don't matter because I want to add a cute little scrunchie to it because I know it'd be cute. Is it gonna be too loopy? Loopsy. Don't be loose, please. Oh yeah, that's cute. But yeah, y'all saw me struggle with this little ponytail. I got it together though, got her together and got me together. Because one thing about me, I'm gonna have my hair done. That's on period. But I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna come back to complete the final look. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a few. So get a little transition. Oh, boop, boop, boop. All right, y'all, I'm back. I finally finished the hair. I finished my makeup. She's shorty is blunt at the ends. I gotta go do some pictures and do like, you know, the little, can see the full thing. But yes, babe, this is really cute. I'm really digging it. Like, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys end up showing this, but if you guys end up trying this style, you know, y'all could send me y'all little videos, or y'all could comment down below and, you know, link it. Let me know if you try this hairstyle. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Also, don't forget to connect with me on my social medias. I'll have those linked down below. I want to say thank you for everybody who subscribe to my channel, my new subscribers, everybody who's supporting me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.